एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसे कि आपको पता है हम लोगों ने एक सीरीज़ स्टार्ट किया है जिसमें हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं 5000 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग विच इज़ यूजफुल फॉर ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन। सो दिस इज़ 22nd पार्ट ऑफ दिस सीरीज एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 10512 to 1100. So let's begin. So the very first question, what is the primary function of jig? The answer is guiding the cutting tool during machining. So the purpose of jig is to guide the cutting tool during the machining. So here you can see with the help of jig we can clamp the fixed workpiece, and as well as there are the bushes through which we can pass the cutting tool. So a jig primarily guides the cutting tool to ensure accurate and repeatable machining operations. Next question, what is the main difference between jig and fixture? This is very common question. The answer is a jig hold the tool while the fixture hold the workpiece. So this is the difference in between jig and fixture. So basically jig is used to hold the workpiece and guide the cutting tool, whereas the fixture is used only to hold the workpiece. So jig guide the cutting tool, whereas the fixture are used to securely hold the workpiece during machining. Next question, which of the following is not advantage of using jig and fixture? Options are increase production rate, enhance accuracy, elimination of skilled labor, increase tool wear. So the answer is increase tool wear. So jig and fixture improve the efficiency, accuracy, but they do not contribute to tool wear. मतलब आपने jig या fixture use किया और tool wear बढ़ रहा है, ऐसे नहीं होगा, because jigs are basically used to guide the cutting tool. Next question, what type of feet is commonly used in jig and fixture for accurate alignment? So the answer is interference feet. Okay, so there are 4 different types of feet: loose feet, transition feet, clearance feet, and interference feet. In jig and fixture we are using interference feet. So the interference feet ensures accurate alignment by minimizing play between the components. Next question, which material is most commonly used for making jigs and fixture? The answer is cast iron. So cast iron is basically used to manufacture jig and fixture. Cast iron is preferred due to its rigidity, wear resistance, and ability to dampen the vibrations. And even the cast iron is used to manufacture the bed of the machines because it absorbs the vibration. It is having damping properties. What is the purpose of locating element in a jig or fixture? So here you can see locating element. These are the locating element. Now what is its purpose? The answer is to ensure precise positioning of the workpiece. So locating element ensure the workpiece is accurately positioned for the machining. So locating pin जो है वो ensure करता है कि ये workpiece properly jig या fixture में बैठा है कि नहीं. Okay, तब जाके एक proper machining होगा. So that is the purpose of locating pin. Next question, what type of locator is commonly used for cylindrical workpieces? So the workpieces like this or the cylindrical workpieces. So the answer is V-locator. So V-locator are used to position cylindrical workpieces by providing stable and accurate support. Next question, what does the term redundant location means in context of jigs and fixture? Okay, redundant location. The answer is having more locating pin than required. So having more locating points than required, that is known as redundant location. Okay, so here you can see it is clamped with the help of this clamp and it is get damaged. So redundant location refers to unnecessary locating point which can lead to misalignment. So job जो है properly align नहीं रहेगा, unnecessary आपने इसे यहाँ पे clamp कर लिया है. Okay. Next question, which principle is widely used for locating a workpiece in jigs and fixture? The answer is 6-point location principle. Okay, so the 6-point location principle ensures the workpiece is fully constrained and accurately positioned. तो जब भी आप jigs और fixture डिज़ाइन करते हो तो हमेशा वो वर्कपीस कैसे लोकेट होना चाहिए, उसके डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम कैसे लॉक होना चाहिए, उसमें मूवमेंट नहीं चाहिए. सो ये सब इंश्योर करता है आपका 6-point लोकेशन प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन ए ड्रिलिंग जिग व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ए ड्रिल बुशिंग? Okay, so here you can see this is the drill bushing, or in this video, in this GIF you can see these are the drill bushing. Okay, so what is its purpose? The answer is to guide the drill bit accurately. Okay, so its purpose is to guide the drill bit accurately. So drill bushing ensure that the drill bit is guided correctly to maintain the precision. So here you can see this is the drill bit and it is guided with the help of this drill bush. Next question. Why is clamping force important in jigs and fixture? Okay, the answer is to prevent workpiece vibration. So here you can see these are the clamping elements, and why this is important? Because it prevents the workpiece vibration. So proper clamping prevents workpiece movement, ensuring machining accuracy and safety. Next question. Which type of clamp is commonly used in milling fixture? The answer is hydraulic clamp. So hydraulic clamp is commonly used in milling fixture. So hydraulic clamp provides high clamping force, making them suitable for heavy milling operations. So जब भी आप milling operation perform करोगे तो बहुत सारा force आने वाला है वर्कपीस के ऊपर और वो आपको काउंटर करना है. So that can be countered with the help of hydraulic clamp. Next question. What is the primary advantage of modular fixture? The answer is ability to adjust for different parts. So with the help of such modular fixture, you can handle variety of part because it is having a plate, and on that plate you can see different holes, and on this hole you can fix your locating element, clamping element. So it is having ability to adjust different parts. So modular fixture can be reconfigured for various application, increasing versatility. What is the role of foolproofing in jigs and fixture? So foolproofing, that is also known as poka-yoke. The answer is to prevent incorrect workpiece loading. So we can understand this with the help of this example. So here you can see this is the seam which is not having this slot. So जब भी आप ये सीम मोबाइल में लोड करोगे तो कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है कि भाई इसको कैसे रखना है, and that is why one slot is provided, and this slot will tell you how to load this seam inside the mobile. So वैसे ही जब भी आप जिग एंड फिक्सचर डिज़ाइन करोगे उस टाइम आप उसे फुल प्रूफिंग के साथ डिज़ाइन करोगे, फैब्रिकेट करोगे. मतलब वर्कर जो है वो गलती से भी मिस्टेक नहीं कर पाएगा क्योंकि उसी ओरिएंटेशन में उसमें वर्कपीस फिक्स होगा, एंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज नोन एज फुल प्रूफिंग. So full proofing ensures the workpiece is loaded in the correct orientation to avoid errors. Next question. Which factor is not critical in the design of jig and fixture? The answer is tool material. So tool material is not that much important in the design of jig and fixture. Okay. Tool material does not directly impact the design of jig and fixture but influence machining. So this is the answer. Next question. What is the purpose of an indexing mechanism in a jig or fixture? So here you can see this is the indexing mechanism. Now what is its purpose? The answer is to enable precise rotational positioning of the workpiece. जैसे ये जो मेरे पास फ्लैंज है, मान लो इसके पेरीफेरी पे मुझे होल करना है एक पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल पे, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, यहाँ पे इंडेक्सिंग मैकेनिज्म यूज़ करूँगा. जैसे मान लो 30 डिग्री के बाद, मतलब 30 डिग्री का रोटेशन होने के बाद मुझे एक होल करना है. सो मैंने इसको इंडेक्सिंग कर लिया. जैसे मैंने एक से मैं रोटेट करूँगा सो फ्लैंज जो है वो 30 डिग्री से रोटेट होगा. सो आफ्टर एवरी 30 डिग्री आई कैन ड्रिल अ होल विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस जिग एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इंडेक्सिंग मैकेनिज्म. So indexing mechanism allow accurate rotation or repositioning of the workpiece for multi-step machining operation. Next question. Which of the following is not type of a jig? Options are plate jig, box jig, bench jig and lathe jig. So the answer is lathe jig. Okay, क्योंकि lathe fixture होता है, lathe कभी jig नहीं होता. So jigs are generally used for drilling and other machining operation, but lathe operation primarily uses fixtures. Okay, so mainly jigs are used in drilling operation or in other operations. For lathe we are using lathe fixtures. Next question. Which type of jig is used for heavy and large workpieces? The answer is box jig. So here you can see the diagram of box jig. So box jig provide better support and stability for heavy and large workpieces. Next question. What is the purpose of template jig? So here you can see the template jig. Now what is its purpose? The answer is to ensure accurate tool guidance without bushing. So here you can see jigs are not, the bushes are not provided here, right? So the answer is to ensure accurate tool guidance without bushing. Template jig use a template for guiding the tool instead of drill bushing. Next question. What is a fixture specially designed for turning operation? The answer is lathe fixture, okay, because we perform turning operation over a lathe machine, and over lathe machine we can use lathe fixtures. So lathe fixtures are tailored for securing workpiece in a lathe operation. So see, this is the chuck of lathe machine, and in this chuck, this job is held with the help of this fixture. Okay. Next question. What material is commonly used for drill bushing? So here you can see these are the drill bush, and the answer is tool steel. So the bush are made up of tool steel. Tool steel is used for drilling bushes due to its high wear resistance and durability, because you pass the drill bit through this drill bush, and that is why it should have high wear resistance. Next question. Which of the following is a locating element in a fixture? The answer is V block. So V block is the locating element. We have seen its diagram in our previous questions. Next question. What is a common clamping element in a jig and fixture? The answer is toggle clamp. So out of this, toggle clamp is the clamping element in a jigs and fixture. So this is your toggle clamp. Okay. So the toggle clamp provides quick and reliable clamping for workpiece in machining setup. Next question. What is the role of base plate in a jig and fixture? So this is your base plate. Now what is its purpose? To prevent a stable foundation for mounting elements. So over this base plate, you will mount different elements. So it provides a stable foundation. Base plate serves as a foundation on which other element of the jig or fixture are mounted. Next question. What is the primary requirement for jig or fixture? The answer is it should ensure repeatable accuracy. Okay, so jigs and fixture must ensure repeatability and accuracy in machining operation. Why we use jigs? Because there is no need of marking and few other operations. So we can increase the productivity, and at the same time we can increase the efficiency and accuracy. Next question. What does interchangeability means in the context of jigs and fixture? The answer is ensuring consistent machining for multiple identical part. Now interchangeability means what? So in today's era, what we are doing, we are manufacturing different parts at different location, and then we are assembling it together. Okay, suppose you are manufacturing, say, any vehicle. So the manufacturer of that vehicle is not manufacturing every part of that vehicle. They are ordered it from their vendors. So the different parts are manufactured at different locations, and then they are brought at one location, and then they are assembled together so as to get a final product. Here in this case it is a vehicle. Okay, so interchangeability ensures identical machining result for mass production. Next question. Which type of jig used for angular bush drilling? So here you can see, here I want to drill a hole at certain angle. So for this purpose, we will use angle plate jig. So this is your angle plate jig. Angle plate jig are designed to support angular drilling operation. What is the main purpose of bush in a jig? ये जो bush आपने यहाँ पे provide किया, इसका purpose क्या है? The answer is to guide the cutting tool. So it basically guides the cutting tool. Here it is a drill bit, and the drill bit we passed from this bush. Okay, so bushing guides the cutting tool to maintain alignment and precision. What is the effect of poor clamping in a fixture? Okay, fixture में अगर clamping proper नहीं है तो what will be its effect? The answer is workpiece vibration and poor finish. So there will be a workpiece vibration because you have not clamped it properly. Improper clamping can lead to vibration, poor surface finish, and dimensional inaccuracies. Next question. Why is hardening applied to locating and clamping element in jigs and fixture? So these are your locating elements. Okay, see, these are the locator pins. Now why hardening is applied over that locating pin? So the answer is to enhance wear resistance. See, here you are mounting the workpiece over this locating element. So there will be wear and tear, right? So basically you want to increase the wear resistance of this locating pin. So hardening increases the durability and wear resistance of locating and clamping element. Next question. What is the primary purpose of universal fixture? Here you can see the universal fixture. What is its purpose? To handle variety of workpiece shape and size. So even if the size of workpiece changes, you can use same fixture, and that is the beauty of universal fixture. So universal fixtures are adaptable to different shapes and sizes, making them suitable for diverse machining tasks. Which of the following is an advantage of modular fixture? The answer is flexibility for multiple machining tasks. So this is your modular fixture and it is flexible. Even if the workpiece change, you can use same modular fixture, you can change its arrangement and you can use that fixture. So modular fixture consists of interchangeable components allowing for flexibility in machining various parts. Next question. What is the function of dowel pin in a jigs and fixture? So here you can see the dowel pin. Now what is its purpose? To align and locate the components. So dowel pins are used to align and securely locate the part of the jig or fixture for consistent accuracy. Which clamping mechanism uses fluid pressure for operation? So the answer is hydraulic clamp. So in hydraulic clamp we are using hydraulic fluid. So the hydraulic clamp uses fluid pressure to apply high clamping force for secure workpiece holding. Next question. What is the main characteristics of a lift jig? So here you can see the lift jig. Okay. Now the question is, what is its main characteristics? The answer is it has a hinge leaf for tool access. Here you can see this is the hinge joint. Okay. So it has a hinge leaf for tool access. A lift jig features a hinge plate or leaf that can be opened to allow tool access to the workpiece. Next question. Which material is commonly used for jig and fixture in high precision machining? The answer is tool steel. Okay. So tool steel is preferred for its high wear resistance and dimensional stability in precision machining. Next question. What is the primary disadvantage of using template jig? Okay, so this is your template jig, and what is the primary disadvantage? The answer is it does not have drill bushing for accuracy. So in template jig you will not find drill bushing. That is its main disadvantage. So template jigs rely solely on the template for guidance, which may reduce accuracy compared to bush equipped jigs. Next question. What is the term for movement allowed to a workpiece within a fixture? The answer is float. Okay. So float refers to a slight movement allowed before final clamping to ensure proper alignment. तो जब भी आप वर्कपीस लोड करोगे उस टाइम उसमें थोड़ा बहुत मूवमेंट होगा, उसे हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? फ्लोट. वो किस लिए है? प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट के लिए. एक बार आपने क्लैम्प कर लिया, देन देयर विल बी नो मूवमेंट इन द वर्कपीस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए लोकेटिंग प्रिंसिपल इन जिग्स एंड फिक्सचर? So the answer is 6-point principle. So the 6-point location principle ensures proper workpiece positioning by restricting movement along 3 axes. Next question. What is the purpose of full proofing feature in a jig and fixture? The answer is to prevent incorrect workpiece placement. So full proofing के लिए मैंने जैसे इसके पहले भी एग्जांपल दिया था, जो सीम आप मोबाइल में डालते हो तो देखिए उसको एक स्लॉट होता है. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फुल प्रूफिंग. वैसे ही जब भी आप फिक्सचर के अंदर या फिर जिग के अंदर वर्कपीस लोड करोगे, सो वर्कर ने कोई गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए, मतलब गलती से भी कोई मिस्टेक वहाँ पे नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज़ नोन एज फुल प्रूफिंग. सो द फुल प्रूफिंग एंश्योर्स दैट द वर्कपीस कैन ओनली बी प्लेस इन ए करेक्ट पोजिशन फॉर मशीनिंग. मतलब उसी लोकेशन में वो प्लेस होगा, अदरवाइज वो प्लेस ही नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which type of jig is suitable for machining very large part? Box jig, plate jig, floor jig, channel jig. The answer is floor jig. So floor jigs are designed to accommodate large workpieces and are often mounted directly on the shop floor. Next question. What is the primary function of locating pin in a jig? So the answer is to accurately position the workpiece. So these are the locating pin. Here you can see the locating pin. And what is its purpose? To accurately position the workpiece. So locating pin ensure consistent and accurate positioning of the workpiece within the jig. Next question. What is the primary difference between jig and fixture? This is very common question. So the answer is jig guide the tool, whereas fixture only hold the workpiece. Next question. What is the purpose of T-slot in a fixture base? So this is the fixture base, and here you can see the T-slot. Here you can see T-shape. These are the T-slot. Now what is its purpose? The answer is to mount the fixture on the machining table. So T-slot allow the fixture to be securely mounted and positioned on the machine table. मशीन टेबल पे उसे प्रॉपर रखने के लिए हम लोग T-slot यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which type of clamping mechanism is most commonly used in fixture? The answer is mechanical clamping. So mechanical clamping is most widely used. Mechanical clamping is widely used due to its simplicity, reliability, and lower cost compared to other clamping mechanism. Next question. What is the main purpose of using drill bushing in a jig? So what is the purpose of drill bushing? The answer is to ensure precise tool guidance. इसके पहले भी मैंने आपको डायग्राम्स दिखाए थे. बुश में से आपका ड्रिल बिट पास होगा. So who is guiding that drill bit? Your bush, drill bush, they are guiding the tool. So the drill bushing guide the cutting tool to maintain accuracy and reduce wear on the jig. Next question. Which type of jig is designed for angular drilling operation? So the answer is angular jig. Angular jig are specially designed to support and guide the tool for drilling at angles. What is the purpose of indexing in a jig and fixture? So here you can see this is the indexing mechanism. Here you can fix your workpiece, and here you can index that workpiece. So to ensure accurate positioning of the workpiece features. So indexing allows precise positioning of the workpiece for operations like drilling or milling multiple features. Even suppose you want to cut the gear tooth over a shaft or over a blank. Okay, in that case you can use indexing mechanism. And the last question, which of the following is not a principle of clamping? So the answer is uses a single clamping point for flexibility. So single point clamping is not ideal as it may not provide adequate stability during machining. So अगर आप एक ही point पे workpiece को rest कर रहे हो, so that is not suitable because वो proper clamp नहीं कर पाएगा उस workpiece को. So these are the 50 questions over jigs and fixture. I have prepared one playlist where I am discussing all 5000 objective questions. So I request you to please visit my channel, go to the playlist and watch all the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.